Well, starting off the week, the markets and the day mixed. My name's Des here at Grok Trade. It's Monday, October 27th, 2014. Taking a look here at the markets, we did end the day mix. You have the S&P in negative territory, so it was small caps. Everybody else bullish territory, but for the most part, we broke even for the day. Banks though up 0.5%, showing relative bullish sentiment. VIX down a smidgen. Gold off by 0.25%, silver off by 0.5%. Transportation up 0.7%. In the utility sector, down 0.21%. Here we are looking at the S&P 500 daily chart. I had the biggest week last week that we've seen in almost 2 years. We're up here now at 150-day moving averages, and this swing high coming across is an area of resistance. A lot of resistance right here after an extended run. So we have pretty decent chance of a pullback, a correction, a turnaround, a pivot, a drop. Pretty good chance of that. However, I'm not going to say that we're not going to keep going higher. If we pop here, you're going to have a lot of short covering. And if that happens, you're going to get a nice size big white candlestick right here. I could see that being a resistance point about where that gray line is. However, at this moment, this is the time you don't want to say, hey, I'm going to go all in long, because it's already made a big long run. Can't say I'm going to go in all in short because we are heading higher. So this is the time to say just chill out for a bit. Let's see what this market brings. If it does start to drop on volume, be looking to add some shorts and unload some of those longs that you have. And if we continue to go higher, maybe add some short-term longs and see how much money you could squeeze out of the bull side of the market. And I want to look at gold here. Gold is pulled back. Now, what's interesting with gold here, if I were to pull a fib, you are looking at a pullback just below the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement. If it were to drop down a little more to the 50% retracement, that would be a buy level. I mean, if we start to go bullish now, that's a buy level. Be looking to buy silver and or gold. Silver, same thing. If you look at this, we're kind of wanting to build kind of a little triangle. If we continue here and then pop up, that would be a buy signal. Love that the volume's drying up in this consolidation. That usually happens right before you get a big move. So don't jump the gun. We're not sure if we're going to be bullish or bearish, but something to be watching for. And big movers, BABA, I'm up another 2%. It breaks my heart. It breaks my heart because I was in BABA. I gave up on BABA. And I think, man, if I remember right, I got in on this little pop. We came up, made some money, and when it dropped, I just said, you know what, I'm out of this. It dropped a few days and then popped. I think that's what happened. And the train left the station without me. So somebody else's money. GoPro, which I'm very happy I'm out of, dropped over 9%. And if you look at Taser, that popped 1%, but Twitter was off almost 3%. It dropped, but people bought in on that sell. It came out with earnings, and it's just kind of not faring that well out there in the markets. And thank you for all you individuals that are coming and joining us in Vegas next month. This is not too late. If you want to join us, it's about mentoring and helping you do what you always wanted to do. That's make money in the stock market. It's what we do, and we do very well. Listen up to what you can expect if you were to join us next month.